So this is the second part of the setup for a Discord server. If you have missed the first part, then check out the first part, link in the description. Let's go and start this now. You don't really want to go and give, when you're really busy or not there, the bot can go and give people a rule. So we will go set up the bot in a second, but before this I want to go and show you the permissions, because here like now we have the moderation on, and in this room here, in this channel, there should be just be admins. So you click on edit channel and then you go to permissions, and here right now everyone could join, like rules, everyone. We don't want that everyone is going to join, right? So we go and set here the permission. He can't, not everyone can text in here. Not everyone can send a message or a TTS message. He can't manage the messengers. So just go and disable everything here. Okay, now you disabled everything, go to changes. Next we go and you click on the plus to give permission for moderators. The moderators should be able to do almost everything like here. Also check everything like that. And save changes. Next, we want that the admin is doing have the full permission in here. Give the admin everything. So check everything here. Click save changes, and let's get out. And now, here on the hashtag, it's very small. There's now a lock button. So this means, well, this is just for admins and moderators. Okay guys, I made a mistake. In the admin's room, you don't need to give the moderators a permission, because just the admin should be in there. So if you really want to go and delete this now, this rule permissions here for the moderators, you go and highlight them and you scroll down and remove moderator. Say okay. So next we go to the moderators tab, and in here we go to permissions, right click, admins, also first of everyone. So click for everyone. That's a lot of work, but well, you know what to do. And moderators should be able to do almost everything here. Well, when you save that, you go to click, and the admin gets all the rules here. So admins got everything, and let's get out. So these both channels are now just for admins and this is for moderators and also the admins. Okay, so let's go and set up now the bot. For that we go to the web and we go to the Me6. So when you type in this, you get the Me6 XYZ. It's a Discord bot, so click on here. So next we go and click to add Discord, and he will go and ask for what Discord. You want for case director, yeah, authorize. Next we go and choose a Discord like this one, and now let's go create the bot. Well, add the bot to your server, click continue. Well, now you can go and check what he's allowing to do on the server. I will go and give him everything. So click authorize. Also, I'm not a bot. And now the bot is in the game. Here is the bot. Also, this side will pop up what you can do with this bot. So yeah. So now when I'm on the general tab, here says everyone welcome the MME6 bot. Yeah. Well, now the bot joined the conversation, the general tab, but I want him that he's going to the welcome. So for that, we go to the top, server settings, and here on the overview in system messages channel, we click on here and we change this to welcome. So when you got that, save the changes and go back. And now we go and give the bot the rule of a bot. Okay, now let's go and create a welcome message. For that, you go to the tab here again from the Me bot, and on top here, give new users a warm welcome. You click on there to go send a message when a user joins your channel. Yes. So on here, you said where should be the welcome message to go to. So channel, for sure, welcome. So now you can give the new user a welcome message. I just keep it like it is right now. You can go and set up a card. I don't want to do this right now. But what I want to do is you can also go and send him a private message, the new user. Nope, I don't want to do this now. What I want to do is give it a rule. So every new user gets a rule. So click here on the plus and he gets the member rule. You can see here's a error message because the bot can't do this because, well, let me show you. You go back to your Discord. So when you're on your Discord, you go to the top, server settings, you go to rules, and the bot can set it up because he's on the very bottom. He's below the bot. So give him all permissions you want. So drag him up to the very top. Save changes. And now just go try to save this. So alright, so when you got this, you can go back to plugins. Also you can go and get lots and lots of stuff here, like let me say Twitch. Click on here. Yes, I want to enable this plugin. Search for channel. So you can put in the channel here. Time when I go live, it says this message, and also post in. So now post in the live stream announcement channel here. Okay, save. So now, like every time when I go live, it will go and show in the Discord, like here in live announcement. When I go live, it's getting a message and then it says, hey, I'm live streaming right now, blah 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 blah. The same, you can go to plugins and go to YouTube. So do the same, type in the channel, and yeah, so there. And I want to go and get this video announcement channel and save. If you have more than one YouTube channel you want to do this, you need to go and get premium here. So yeah, here's a lot of other plugins. Well, you need to go and click on them and read them because it takes ages here. Or I make separate videos if you want to, so let me know. Some features are like for upgrades for premium. You need to have a very good look for that. Next bot I want to go and get is a music bot. So I got Groovy, but there's another one called Rhythm. So I get the Groovy bot. Click here. Groovy, the best Discord music bot. And then click to add to Discord. And in here, I need to go and choose the server. Click OK. And when you're in here now, and go to welcome. Hey Groovy, welcome to Casey's server. Also you can see it's here, he's a member now. So I want to give him the bot rules. So right click and then go to rules, go and get the away with the members and give him the bot rule. Also want to go and set up a bot command text. Now we have 2 bots and people want to go and give some commands, bot commands, and then something happens. Also they can suggest some commands. For that I go to conversation general and create a new text channel called bot commands. It's a robot. Okay, now we have this bot commands, so let's just go and join the music channel here. And now when you're in the music one, you can go and... Okay, so my bot is like... some people need to do the exclamation mark and other commands, but for me it's like play. And then I write the song I want, like... And when I hit enter... The bot goes in here, and when I set the volume, there's no music. So I set it now to quiet, so it's copyright stuff. So yeah, that's how people can do stuff now in the music. Also, the Me bot has some commands, but that would be a separate video. Let's go disconnect, and the bot is gone, and you got all these beautiful thing here. He's waving bye bye. It's so cool. So yeah, I think this is it for now, for a quick basic setup of our server. If you have any requests for other Discord server tutorials, like ever more plugins, more bots, let me know and I will look what I can do. If you want to go and join my Discord, let me know. The invite link is in the description, and we can maybe text a bit. And yeah, I would appreciate a thumbs up, a like, if this video helped you to set up your first Discord server. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and maybe comment or leave a comment. Let me know what you think about setting up a Discord server. I hope it helped you, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.